Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're going to quickly learn how to change the HDMI input on your Sceptre monitor. It's a simple process. You might need to switch inputs if you have multiple devices connected. These could be your computer, a gaming console, or a streaming device. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, let's locate the buttons on your Sceptre monitor. These buttons are usually found on the bottom, side, or back of the monitor. Take a close look. You'll likely find several buttons. One of them should be labeled menu or something similar, like a symbol representing a menu. Press this button. This will bring up the on-screen display or OSD. The OSD is the monitor's menu. You'll see different options appear on your screen. Now, navigate through the menu. Look for an option labeled Input, Source, or Input Source. Use the arrow buttons on your monitor to move up or down in the menu. The arrow buttons are often labeled with small triangles. Once you find the input or source option, select it. You might need to press the menu button again, or a button labeled OK or Enter to select the option. A list of available inputs will appear. You'll see options like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, VGA, or DisplayPort. These are the different ports on the back of your monitor. Select the HDMI input that corresponds to the device you want to use. For example, if your gaming console is connected to the HDMI 2 port, select HDMI 2. Use the arrow buttons to highlight the correct input. Then, press the OK or Enter button to confirm your selection. The screen might go blank for a moment. This is normal. Your monitor is switching to the selected input. Soon, you should see the display from the device connected to that HDMI port. If you don't see anything, double-check that your device is powered on. Also, make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the monitor and the device. If you're still having trouble, try turning your monitor off and on again. This can sometimes help reset the connection. Another tip is to try a different HDMI cable. A faulty cable can sometimes cause issues with the signal. Finally, make sure the device you're trying to connect is actually outputting a signal. Sometimes, the device might be in sleep mode or have its output disabled. That's it. You've successfully changed the HDMI input on your Sceptre monitor. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. We appreciate your support.